steel door hinge with 2 ball bearings. Getting rusty of the hinge bothers the users, that's why we insist to use stainless steel material. We have enough molds to produce hinges in different size and different thickness. The shell and the balls of ball bearing are also made of stainless steel, which makes the turning more smooth. The flat heads are welded so that we ensure the hinge to be tight. After high quality polishing, the hinge looks nice. The position of the screw countersunk head is slightly lower than the surface of the hinge. Workers set the position on the door according to the shape of the hinge. It can be quickly installed with a screwdriver. The key to keep the door hinge smooth is tension oil. The tension oil we're using is fireproof, which achieve European standard.